Do you want to learn how to change the location on your iPhone in a few easy steps? In this short tutorial, I will show you exactly what to do. I'll take you through the process, step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone, and then at the very top of the page, you'll see the Apple ID with which you are currently logged in with your iPhone. Simply tap on your Apple ID. Once you are on this page, tap where it says, Media and Purchases, and then tap, View Account. So now you'll see an option called, Country or Region. Simply tap on it. To change the country or region associated with this account, tap Change Country or Region below. Select the desired country or region, then accept the new terms and conditions. So go ahead and tap Change Country or Region. And now you'll have the ability to select any country you like and change the country or region on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.